Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make curry leaves chutney under 5 minutes for idli, dosa at your home. So I will show you a little bit a glimpse of what I'm making today for our lunch. Here is the potato wedge with onion. Here is the rice. Here is the tomato rasam. So yeah. Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make fresh curry leaves chutney for idli, dosa, plain rice, even for chapati. Yeah, so here I'm harvesting some fresh curry leaves from my plant. So yeah, let's start the recipe. So here I harvested the fresh curry leaves and I am going to wash these curry leaves. And this curry leaves chutney you can prepare under 5 minutes. So let's start. So take a kadai, add 4 tablespoons of oil. For this recipe we need more oil. So here I added 4 tablespoons of oil. In this I am going to add this urad dal. So I am going to add 2 tablespoons of urad dal, two tablespoons of chana dal, and 7 to 8 red chilies. And we have to fry all these things together for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes light brown in color. So it started becoming light brown in color and it's time to add this fresh curry leaves and the ginger. So I washed the curry leaves and we have to fry for only 1 minute, not more than that. In this, I am going to add this tamarind. It gives a tangy taste in the curry leaf chutney. So if you don't have the tamarind, you can add the amchur powder. It's time to switch off the flame. So this is done, guys, and when it becomes cool down, you have to grind it in the blender. So it's time to get it in the blender. I added some fresh coconut. If you want to skip that coconut, you can skip the coconut. And I'm going to add half a cup of water for grinding. So here I'm adding half a cup of water. And I'm going to grind this one as a coarse paste. So while grinding itself, we have to add the salt. So how much salt you want in your curry leaf chutney, you have to add that much. And watch this video till the end. I will show you what I am making for lunch today. So yeah. So can you see, guys, the curry leaf chutney is ready. Today we are going to have this one with our rice. And so yeah. So this is a quick video of how to make curry leaf chutney under 5 minutes for idli, dosa, rice, roti, parota, anything at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.